Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this desk right here from Solder. It's a pretty affordable desk from Amazon. We'll go ahead and put it together and see what it looks like. Let's open it up. Wow, this box was held together with just straight glue. So freaking hard to open it. Alright, so I have to go ahead and tear this box up. So let's go ahead and see what it comes with. You got the legs right here. It's pretty light. Light and hollow. You got both legs right here. Support beams. More support beams right here. It's the color that I got. It's called Natural. A little less than 1 inch thick. It's pretty heavy. Let's put this to the side. The holes already pre-drilled. Installation manual. And some hardware. That's it. Oh, also comes with shelves too. One good thing so far is that everything comes labeled. As you can see all the numbers here. The numbers coincide with the numbers in the manual, and also the letters coincide with whatever is on the piece itself. Alright, so all the legs are up, shelves are in. Now the last thing I have to do is just go ahead and put the top right up there. This only took me about like 10 minutes to put together. I mean, it's a budget desk. One thing I noticed is that it's really low. Like right now I'm on my knees recording, and look how low it is. Alright guys, so here's the desk fully assembled. It's not bad. It's pretty small, smaller than what I expected, but it's actually very sturdy. Doesn't move at all. I had to put my laptop on there. Got a printer down there. You can also put like some books and stuff. I got my laptop sitting on a Have It laptop cooler. You can go ahead and check that video out. For $38, you really can't go wrong with this. The only thing missing right now is just a computer chair. Hopefully that'll be my next unboxing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos.